Today, we will go over 5 of the top destinations for 2022. And please be sure to check out our other videos and like, share, and subscribe if you like this content. Starting out at number 5 with no particular order is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Visit the iconic giant statue of Christ the Redeemer, also recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Or take a cable car tour of Sugarloaf Mountain. You can also visit the majestic Copacabana Beach and the beautiful Ipanema Beach. What is Brazil without Carnival? Brazil Carnival is celebrated on the Friday before Ash Wednesday. If COVID stays in check, Carnival 2023 will be back from February 17th to February 22nd. Rio de Janeiro has many places to see, ways to wonder, and lots of experiences to explore. One of the most beautiful cities in the world, known for its gorgeous beaches and free living lifestyle. Rio de Janeiro is a traveler's dream. It's no wonder Rio made our list of the 5 most traveled destinations in 2022. Coming in at number 4 is Dubai. Dubai needs no introduction. From skyscrapers to ultra-modern architecture, this place is an engineering masterpiece. Known for its ultra-rich and luxurious lifestyle, the city attracts travelers from all around the globe. Established in the 18th century as a small fishing village, the city grew rapidly in the early 21st century with a focus on tourism and luxury. On your visit to Dubai, take a cruise past the Dubai Fountain. Wear your best garb, dress up, and visit the Burj Al Arab. You will need a reservation just to get into this exclusive hotel. For an amazing experience, explore Palm Jumeirah, an epic example of engineering inspiration. These artificial islands are truly a modern wonder. And take a stroll around the boardwalk and enjoy the sights. Are you a thrill seeker? If so, go up to Dubai's Burj Khalifa. It's the tallest building in the world with a staggering 160 floors. And of course, you can't leave Dubai without experiencing several desert pursuits, including ATV driving, or riding a camel, or sandboarding. Dubai is another beautiful place to visit, making it one of the top 5 most traveled destinations in 2022. Next up on our list, San Francisco, California. San Francisco is a commercial and cultural center in Northern California. San Francisco and the surrounding San Francisco Bay Area are a global center of economic activity and a leader in the arts and sciences. Fisherman's Wharf is one of the busiest and well-known tourist attractions in the United States. Fisherman's Wharf is best known for being the location of Pier 39, a Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum, the Wax Museum, and the San Francisco Maritime National Historical Park. Alcatraz Island, better known as The Rock, the famous Alcatraz Island where many notorious criminals like Al Capone have served prison time, is now a once-in-a-lifetime must-see museum to visit and explore. There is also a sea lion colony next to Pier 39. San Francisco has several prominent Chinese, Mexican, Filipino neighborhoods, including Chinatown and the Mission District. Explore one of California's most iconic settings from the beauty of San Francisco Bay, the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the 1-mile wide strait connecting San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The Golden Gate Bridge has also been declared one of the wonders of the modern world. And of course, you cannot visit San Francisco without exploring Yosemite National Park and its breathtaking natural landscapes by having some of the busiest and best known attractions in the world. That is one of the reasons why San Francisco made the list of the top travel destination of 2022. Next up on the list, Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is a major city in Western Canada, located in the lower mainland region of British Columbia. Vancouver boasts a diverse cultural lifestyle, great shopping, and lots of tourist attractions. Like the Capilano Suspension Bridge. The Capilano Suspension Bridge is a bridge that crosses the Capilano River in the district of North Vancouver, British Columbia. This attraction, beware, is not for the faint of heart. Take a ride over to the Vancouver Aquarium. The aquarium rescues distressed marine animals, including seals and lions. Another attraction to see is Grouse Mountain. With 212 acres of skiable terrain, Grouse Mountain has been welcoming visitors since 1926, with a maximum elevation of over 4,100 feet at its peak. Summer access is also provided by the 2.9-kilometer Grind Hiking Trail, which is open for hiking from May to October. Vancouver offers very unique travel experiences for first-time or repeat visitors. Vancouver is a must-see, making it one of the top most visited destinations in 2022. Last but not least is Bali, Indonesia. Bali, a province of Indonesia, is by no doubt the world's best travel destination. Pristine beaches, awesome culture, some of the best food in the world, and friendly people? Come on. Bali is located about 8 degrees south of the equator, so you can expect tropical, warm, and humid climate all year round, with only 2 seasons, dry and rainy. The temperatures are slightly cooler in the mountains and peaks, and there is much more rainfall than in the coastal areas. Bali is part of the Coral Triangle, an area with the highest biodiversity of marine species, especially fish and turtles. Bali is a diver's dream. Take a tour and visit a rice terrace, positioned in a beautiful rice field with green coconut plants. Some of the most beautiful sights you will ever see. There were also many festivals celebrated locally or island-wide. The Hindu New Year is celebrated in the spring by a day of silence. On this day, everyone stays at home and tourists are encouraged or even required to remain in their hotel. And of course, having authentic local foods on a vacation can be adventurous for many tourists, especially if you love good food. Bali has a very diverse array of culinary delights, influenced by many people from other areas in Indonesia and even different countries from around the world. And rice is the basic food ingredient for Indonesian dishes. And I also want to note, Indonesian food is generally not as spicy as you may think, depending on the chili being used, so make sure you ask. Bali is a must and a definite bucket list item, and it seems fitting that we end the 5 most traveled destinations for 2022 with Bali. If you like this content, please comment, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. It really helps my channel.